This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor headlight protection film kit on a Volkswagen GTI using our GT Yellow headlight protection kit. Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Once you have your headlight clean, mist down the surface of the lens with water, remove the kit from the backing paper, mist down the adhesive side with water, and align to the inner corner of the headlight as shown. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee the inner corner of the headlight. And from there, squeegee from the inner corner to the back corner of the headlight, and then work back and forth from the center line down, little by little, until you get to the end of the kit. And then repeat the process from the center line going up, back and forth in small increments. Squeegee up to the transition point. And take a little extra pressure going over the transition, back and forth in small steps. You can heat the material with a hair dryer if it's cool out. Continue by going back and forth across all the edges, warming as necessary with the hair dryer. Finish up your install by going over the edges with the microfiber towel, the squeegee, and heating the edges with the hair dryer. If you have any material hanging off the edge, trim it flush with the razor knife, and you're done. The following video clips were shot a couple hours after the initial install and show what the headlights will look like at night. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.